That is a deep fried angel egg with pancetta on it. Pancetta, right?
Yeah.
Well, where are you going?
I don't want you eating that in front of me around my neck.
So we're trying this for the first time. Deep fried egg.
There you go.
Listen to that bad boy.
Crispy.
It's still sizzling.
Yep. Sorry.
Prosciutto. Deep fried prosciutto. Just like we did on the macaroni and cheese episode. Alright. So we egg in the milk. Toss it in some flour.
Don't mind the mess.
Oh yeah, our kitchen's a mess. We were not prepared for this, but this is so good. We have to share it. Once dunked, twice baptized. Hats off to you, Kent Rollins. Okay, now we're going for the panko breadcrumb. Get it nice and breadcrumby. It's kind of a crummy job, but somebody's got to do it. I'm a dad. I got dad jokes. Lots of them. I save them in my database. That was another dad joke in case you missed it. Grab our little spider wand. Dunk the egg in the nice hot oil. Oil's around 350, 375. Let's see what we got. Woo, oil's a little 381. It's a little hot. I'm gonna turn it down. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off. Shut it off for a second. So, fun fact, ladies and gentlemen, did you know that the boiled egg, the hard-boiled egg, is part of the Seder meal for Passover? This is definitely not a kosher meal.
No.
I mean, well, as it is, if you just were to like continue on like this, it might be okay. But what we're gonna do with the prosciutto, probably not, because it's ham, pork. Okay, turn this guy over so it drains better.
You don't want to go.
Set it on our dish. So we'll take our cooled off one. So Mary, tell them what you put in the, look at that bad boy. That is lovely. Beautiful, golden, crusty. Let's go over here. Okay. And then let's take it over, wipe it off.
So what I have here is I put the yolks in my bowl.
Uh-huh. What do you got in
A little
there?
pickle juice and a little pepper right now.
Okay. So go ahead and put a little more in there. You want to make up? So we, as you can see, bowl's dirty because, well,
It's the second round.
it's second round. We already did some. It's really
You want
nummy.
me to take them out and go clean?
No, I want you to put that in there. Come on, I got some eggs waiting. We got a couple more eggs to do up. This is just kind of a really quick video, guys.
There was something that just came to us. And, well, it came to Chris.
Hats off to That Dude Can Cook. Go check him out. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. We're doing a vertical video. This isn't a YouTube short, but oh well. So you got mayonnaise, pickle juice, and mustard.
Pickle juice, mustard, and pepper.
And pepper. No salt.
No, the pickle juice has salt.
Okay. This is her like ancient recipe handed down from generation. Maybe you have one just like it. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Squishy, squishy. Looks like you might need another egg.
Better get to boiling.
Ooh, can you hard boil an egg to hard boiled in oil? I don't think so.
No, that don't sound so good.
No, it doesn't. Okay, so that's how she does it, guys. While she's finishing that off, I'm gonna plate this one up. And I'm going to show you what I did. We took this mixture and I put it in a snack baggie.
Yeah.
And then you snip off the end of it and you've got an amazing piping bag. And you just
You want help?
squirt this down in there.
You got it?
Squirty, 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 squirty. We just cut off a corner of it pretty good. Maybe we'll give this one a little extra. Come over here. Grab us a little piece of this. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Amazing. What we don't have, we don't have any extra garnish right now. We got the parsley put away. I'm gonna grab this other one real quick. Let's see if we got enough in here. Okay, I think I got enough for one more egg in this thing. This isn't easy. I'm filming one-handed because she's got both hands on that. Oh man, I just made a mess. Babe, I'm gonna need your help. Can you finish that?
Oh, finish it?
Yeah, just kind of like squirt that stuff down in there.
Where's
It's this
my
side.
hole? Okay.
So you gotta squish it from, you gotta squish it from that side over to this side. However you want to. There you go. She's good. Look at that, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the angel egg filling contest with the small snack baggie. This is, and guys, you don't have to go out and buy piping bags. You can use like a sandwich bag. This is a snack bag.
You can use saran wrap.
You can use saran wrap? I've never seen that one. You gotta show me that one someday.
Okay.
So just get it in there. I know some guys, some people, they like to do like a thicker.
Oops, sorry. Hand got in the way.
They like to do a thicker filling. Some people like it really dry. We like ours pretty moist. That way, just kind of get that umami thing going on, where it just kind of fills it up. And this little bit of saltiness right here is awesome. I'm just gonna lay that on top. I'm gonna eat this extra little piece because it's nummy. It really. What is it? I'm glad you asked. So this is just some prosciutto we bought at the store, and I'll put a link in the description. If you watch my grilled mac and cheese video with our grandson Andrew, we literally took some prosciutto, drop it in the hot oil, and we're going to deep fry it. You can do this with regular bacon, prosciutto. I keep calling it pancetta. I don't know why. I'm going to try and unfold this guy. I'm not usually left-handed. For some reason, I decided to film with my right hand. I'm going to switch hands here. And you just let this bad boy go for a minute. How you doing over there, babe?
Doing good, thank you.
Okay. Well, we're going to give you guys another taste test here in just a second.
That's
By taste, give you
meat.
guys a taste. We're going to taste it for you and let you know how awesome it is. And you should do this at home. If you guys do this at home, let us know in the comments below how you liked it. Maybe you did something else. Maybe you used... That's all it is. Look at that. Boom. In a couple minutes, that'll be all cooled off and ready to go. I got my oil. It's actually turned off. How hot is it? You guys got to keep track of your oil temp. Down to 351. And it's been off for all that time since we checked it last. Uh-oh. She's trying to fill it up. It takes like 2 people to do this properly.
But I'm making it happen.
You're doing awesome. God's awesome. You're fantastic. Is she doing a fantastic... Look at her. She's doing a fantastic job. Fantastic job. We are not dressed. There's no lights in the house. This is literally just like us, just willy-nilly.
Spur of the moment.
What are you going to put it in? We've already got these 2 full, and we got to dip some more. Let's just eat these. I'm hungry.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to turn this around. You got to come over here because I don't want the light behind us. Here we are. Round 2. Eat!
Yummy.
Can you hear the crunch? I wasn't sure you can hear it. That's not the prosciutto. That's the prosciutto's right here. I haven't got to it.
No, me either.
But the crunch on the egg is just like nothing we've ever tasted before, really.
It's good.
But you still get the smooth creaminess of the hard-boiled egg and the
It could be a little thicker in my...
Your egg topping.
I went a little crazy because I'm used to making big batches, not small.
We're used to feeding an army. So hey, if you want to join the Chris's Cafe army, hit that subscribe button, click like. And if you want to see more content like this, or if you want to actually watch us make something else, let us know in the comments below. We love you guys. We'll see you soon. That's so good. Love you guys. Can you hear the crunch? That's a different spin, huh?
It's good.
Very good. So let us know if you want us to make our next video out of this. Love you guys. Bye.
Really good.
Really good. Mm.